Did you know your beach body isn't built in the gym? It's built in the kitchen. In fact, up to 80% of your results come from nutrition, not how many workouts you can cram into your week. Hi, I'm Carmina Mebs, the Slim Down Success Coach. I help perimenopausal women, stress eaters, and frustrated yo-yo dieters fuel their bodies and reset their metabolism without diets or deprivation so they can feel energized, confident, and healthy at any size. But most women get this completely backwards, especially during perimenopause. They think, I just need to push harder. I need to burn more calories. I need to earn my carbs. Ever heard that one? So what do? They eat less, they work out more, they hustle harder. And the end result, well, of course, they burn out. They feel drained and frustrated, and the belly fat, it's still there. So here's what they don't know and that no one is telling them. Over exercising and over restricting creates stress in the body, even if you don't feel stress. The stress raises your cortisol levels, and cortisol tells your body to hold on to fat, especially around the belly area. So, the very thing you're doing to lose weight is actually making it harder to lose it in the first place. But there's a better way. It's called holistic nutrition. Holistic nutrition is not about restriction. It's about supporting your body at the root level. So it wants to let go of the extra weight. And the key to making it work, we've got to address what I call the HIM factor: hormonal imbalance, chronic inflammation, and metabolic adaptation. Want to learn more? I want to give you this book, Bodylicious, for free and teach you how to rev up your metabolism, stop counting calories, and finally lose weight so that you feel leaner, lighter, and finally back in control. And listen, it's not just this book that I'm going to give you. This book comes with a 90-minute masterclass on exactly what you need to do. So I'm giving you this book in essentially a video format with an interactive training. Right now, if you want to learn how to turn your body into a fat burning machine, I want to hand you this book in digital format. All you have to do to get it, you show up to the free holistic nutrition workshop. You'll get a powerful eye-opening training, and you'll get this book at the end as my gift to you. So if you want to learn how to reset your metabolism and finally feel in control again, click above or below, somewhere around this page. Now, do it now. It takes 20 seconds and opt in for the book. Show up to the training and I will send you your copy for free. Plus, I teach you how to use what's inside there. Okay, so right now, click above or below, head on over to the next page, and let me get this book into your hands. Okay, I'll see you on the other side.